How to export video from CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to TikTok. If you want to export or save video from CapCut, open CapCut. Now here you can see all of your saved project on CapCut. So simply scroll down and search for the project. So open the project. Before exporting the video, make sure you check these few things. First thing first, select the quality on which you want to export your video. So to do this, select this 1080p located on top of your screen. So here you can see resolution, frame rate and code rate. So select the quality for your video. So customize according to your need. So after customizing, simply go back. Now make sure your video has got correct aspect ratio. So on bottom of your screen, you can see different navigation options. So simply scroll down all the way to right hand side. And then you will be able to see this icon aspect ratio. So click on that. Now here you can see all the list of aspect ratio. So select any according to your video. Here you can find designated aspect ratio for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram Reels and many other social media platforms. So select any according to your need. After selecting, again go back. Here on top of your screen, you can see this export icon. So click on that. Now your video will start getting exported. So after completion of this, you can find your video on your gallery. This is how you export your video from CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.